What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, we're going to build a PC. So I have some computer parts with me here, and these are second hands that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. Now I'm gonna share if it's worth to buy a second hand computer parts rather than buying a new one. And I'm also gonna go through them one by one and showing you the price of each products that I have here. Alright, so join me on building this one and enjoy the show. Okay, so let me introduce the parts that I have here. So we have here the S340 Elite from NZXT. This cost me around 2,000 pesos. Second is the PSU. We have from Cougar. This is the STX Cougar, 650 watts, and it cost me around 1,500. And next is the RAKK Ilis, and this mechanical keyboard blue switch cost me around 1,700. And Vega 64. From Vega 64 Strix, and it cost me for around 15,000 pesos. And next is the TUF DDR4 memory module. So these two memory module cost me around 3,000 pesos. So it's a 16 gigabyte module. And I have here the RAKK Dasig mouse from RAKK, and I purchased this from Shopee for around 350 pesos during the sale. And the Ryzen 5 2600, this cost me around, chicken again. Okay, so this cost me around 6,000 pesos. And I also purchased the Wraith Prism for around 1,500. And due to the budget restriction, I chose B350M from MSI, and this cost me around 3,000 pesos. And some old HDD that I have here. So I wanted to utilize this one, so I refuse on buying new SSDs or hard drive. So this is a 2 terabyte hard drive and a 250 gig hard drives and some fans. Okay, so let's go ahead and build the PC right now and enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the moment we've been waiting for. Will this computer or machine boot up? Let's see. Okay, so there you have it guys. We have successfully built the PC. Now, here are my thoughts on buying second-hand parts. Well, you can never go wrong about it. You just need to make sure that you're buying these parts from the legit person, not a scammer. One thing to check if this is a scammer or not is to check the commerce profile. If he or she have a previous transaction or previous item sold via marketplace, And if you're in a Facebook group and you're buying this from the person inside the Facebook group, is you can either check or vouch for this person if this person is a legit seller or not. Now, as some photos, as always, one thing for you to check, since during this pandemic, there's no way for you to visit the shop to check if this part is broken or not. For you to test it. Well, although there are some options, you can visit their house to test the product. Well, that's up to you. But given that in the situation we are in right now, photos are our alternative option for us to see if this product is broken or working or not. Also, if possible, ask for a warranty. Given that the products that we are purchasing is a second-hand product, ask if it's possible to give at least a week warranty for you to test, or I guess 3 days or a week warranty is enough for you to test the product. And if the merchant agrees, that would be great. If it's not, that's the gamble. Again, just simply check if the seller is legit or not. I think you'll be safe from there. Alright, so that's it. I need to know your thoughts about buying second-hand parts. Is it worth to buy these things, rather than saving up? Well, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any questions you want to ask, write them down as well in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and hit the notification bell for more exclusive videos. Alright, so that's it for today, and see you on my next video. Have a good one.